What's up, guys? I'm back with another unboxing. It's Team at Gains. Before I get started, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. You guys know I'm gonna keep bringing these bangers out, these quick unboxings for you guys. It's another Supreme package. I was gonna wait for the other one to get here, but I just decided to open this one because it's gonna be the same anyways. I got two items the same, just different color. And yeah, you guys are gonna see what it is right now. Let me just get this big knife out so I can open it. But yeah, man, I told you guys that the UPS guy started coming a little bit faster because he dropped this off like at 10 today. So yeah. All right, so this is what we get. They packed it up really nice. You get this big bag, cardboard bag, like always. Oh, I knew it. I knew it. I'm hella excited now. Alright, so another reason for you guys to subscribe to my channel right now and follow me on Instagram at Teammate Gains is because if you want to win this for free, I got this in my package. So if you guys want to win these Oreo cookies, make sure to subscribe to the channel and my Instagram. I'm going to leave the links down below. Also, my name, I'm going to put it right here on the bottom left corner. Or bottom left corner. There you go. I knew it. For some reason, I shake the box and I could feel stuff in there. That's why I didn't really want to open it. Or that's why I couldn't wait to open it. So you guys could enter to get this for free. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Show me proof on Instagram that you guys are subscribed so you guys could win this for free. I'll do it at 300 subs or 250 subs. So if you guys want to get that, there you go. They kind of sound, maybe they might be cracked, I'm not sure. But anyways, you guys will have a free Supreme cookies, Oreo cookies. And then I also get these two box logos, beautiful box logo stickers, which I love so much. I also give these away on my Instagram, so make sure you guys follow me there. So I'm very excited because now I'm waiting for my other package and hopefully it comes with its own Oreo cookies. That way I could do more giveaways. So I just got this hat right here. This is the Trail Camp Cap. I really love this item. Once I seen it in the pictures, I knew I had to have it. So out of last week, this was like my favorite items. To me, I think all last week was trash, like everybody else said. But these hats, man, I need to re-up on my hat game because like I said, I'm trying to grow my hair. I know I cut it, but I cut it because it just wasn't growing right, so I have to restart all over again. Here we go, man. I really love how they got all this like stitching on the sides. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I love how you get the stitching. And then the Supreme up in the front, the Supreme box logo. And the material feels really, really good. Feels almost like Nike made this. That's kind of the material. There you go on the sides. So yeah, man, I really love this hat. I really loved it. Once I seen it in the pictures, man, I couldn't wait to get it. I knew I had to have it. My favorite color is this black one, but I did get it in another color, which I'll show you guys later. Well, I'll just tell you guys now, I got this in the red color. So if you guys want to see that unboxing, come back. I'm gonna do it later on again. Just couldn't wait to do this review for you guys. But let me know what you guys think about this hat. Let me know what you guys cop today, because today is Thursday. If you guys hit anything on Supreme, like always, I hit again. And I'll be doing another review for you guys next week. So yeah, man. So I'm going to show you what it looks like on. These are those dad hats, so they do come in. But I do have a small freaking head. Alright, so here we go. This is what it looks like on. I think I need to break into it so I could get rid of all these creasings. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. And now that I have a new hat, I might give away this old one. So yeah, man, I ran through this like real quick. I found out I don't really like it as much. So yeah, man, I might give this away if you guys are interested. But the only way you guys could find out is if you guys follow me on Instagram and follow me or subscribe to my channel on YouTube. So yeah. It's the same hat basically, but this is kind of what it turns out. Like it gets uncreased and it looks really nice. So I'm hoping this one comes out way better. or hopefully I like it way more, which I will, because it's an all black hat. You can't go wrong with all black. It matches with everything. It has all these colors on the sides. Yeah, man, I really love this hat. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram so you guys can get these Supreme cookies for the free. All you guys have to do is like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. And yeah, man, I'm out.